Welcome to my videos. So guys, there are certain incidents that really are very unpleasant, and it's hard to even imagine such things may happen. So this happened with Tim Hortons Grimsby, Ontario, where one store of Tim Horton was being sold, one restaurant, I apologize, to another owner. Okay, owner to owner transfer. But the new owner, as allegedly, I'm not sure how much truth in this, but yeah, many people have said this, that the new because it's like viral on social media on X platform, and if true, this is a point of concern. So that's what I'm saying. Like allegedly, many people said that the new owner is gonna bring temporary foreign workers and gonna fire all existing employees of the current restaurant who have been working for like 10-15 years. Okay, and after this huge uproar, okay, now it has been published that uh, that the new ownership will not bring in new employees, instead existing employees will continue. Okay, and you can see that even a member of parliament, Dean Allison, uh, has raised the concern. Okay, now first of all, if true, again I use the word if true, this is not something good, because this will have because the way this was shared on social media, hatred towards a particular community, I don't need to take the name, was also present, because many people were saying that Canadians were being replaced by those, first of all. Okay, second thing, many people were saying that this was about replacing Canadian workers too, and you can see the statement from their honorable member of parliament too. So if true, like this is definitely not something that should be done, because temporary foreign worker programs are never meant to replace Canadians. Instead, it is meant to fill the skill shortage or work shortage, especially in the economy where we are losing a lot of jobs and people are not happy. So I mean, I can't understand why can't uh, a restaurant franchisee like Tim Horton would get workers to work upon. Like we have seen that if just for one posting of job, like we have seen queues of people. So I really find it hard. Why would somebody need temporary foreign workers to do? So this had created an uproar, and as I said, this should not be done. I mean, this kind of activity, if true, should not be done, because this is gonna bring bad name to the program, and this will be considered as a misuse of the program, and then people will go after other businesses too, right? Now, apart from people and uproar and whatever you say, a certain section of business community is also gonna be impacted. There could be a business who genuinely needs temporary foreign workers in order to run the business, okay, regardless of the industry. But based on events like this, they'll think twice too. What if that creates an uproar? So programs are meant to full Canadian programs are formed to help Canadians, not to replace Canadians. So hopefully, like things get settled down. Hopefully, like everything comes back to normal. This is what I would say. Again, if true, that at this point I am not sure, but yeah, it's everywhere on social media, and you can even replace here that you can see even the statement from Honorable Mr. Dean Allison, that about firing Canadian workers. That's what I want to say, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.